Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit text comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. I'll edit this text comment. First click on Tools option and select Comment option and click on this text comment, and here you will find this text comment box at this pane and open this text comment. Now double click on this text comment and select text. You can change this text color, this color. Also you can increase font size, and also you can change font style times 1. And you can increase decrease this text box size, and see this. Also you can move this text box in here. Also you can delete text box and click on the three dot option. Here you will find this delete option. You can set this text box accepted and see this. You can add check mark. You can make status rejected, see this. You can add cancel and so on. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.